front coming right there.
Now we better bring the beer inside tonight. So we'll have to bring the beer inside tonight.
Oh no.
What?
I don't know if I'm gonna get into it tonight.
I'm having a couple.
See that line that was coming right there though?
What? Holy shit, what is that? But we better get inside. I'm gonna get a couple beers. Well, we better go potty.
Oh, it is moving awful fast.
Yeah. Look, it's already over here. Look.
You can see the lines just still, that sucker's shot across there quick.
I'm not having beer. Maybe I should move my car back. That wasn't 2 minutes though. That was like 10 minutes.
Good, how you doing?
Good. That looks interesting, doesn't it?
I think it's gonna get crazy. Ooh, wow. That's pretty crazy looking. The wind's gonna start blowing 100 miles an hour here in a minute. Look at this. This is wild.
Yeah. Let's get a creepy.
Wow. Look at that up there. Wow, this is freaky. Look at that.
Oh my God.
That wild looking or what? Freaking just got dark.
Here comes, look at the wind.
Holy shit. See some shit blowing up over there. Sparks and fire.
What? What?
Power lines are blowing up over there.
Oh shit.
See, watch, wow. You see it. Look over towards that antenna going up over there. Maybe it's done. It was arcing.
He just got a limb down. I just had to freaking close the porch. And that one.
We're gonna lose freaking power. The worst part's blowing through right now. It might be raining right after this, but
I just want to leave it right on the street and have people not being able to see them.
that was where that wind was coming. That's the cold front. Probably temperature's probably gonna drop right now. Pretty good.
I'm going to open the window to check on the
Gary's got a big branch down.
Put that fucking walnut trail down.
That's 602, Portland 628, Iwamo at 632, and the storm, which is right there, pushing off to the east at a fairly high speed. The storm will be into Battle Creek by about 6:13. Any of these storms have the potential of producing strong wind gusts of 50 to 70 miles an hour. There were 2 reports of 80-mile-an-hour wind gusts in the Chicago area as these storms went through there. You can see the warnings in the yellow color, the watches in the pink color.
Water. I heard that one, huh? Maybe the light went out.
It's the power lines. Going all down that whole line.
Really?
Over there too.